Zdravo na site! Hello everyone and welcome back to my Macedonian language channel. I'm Ellie and this is episode 14. Today we'll learn how to talk about the weather in Macedonian. Perfect for small talk, making plans and understanding daily life in Macedonia. So let's get started. We are going to start with the learning basic weather words in Macedonian. Vreme, vreme, which means weather. Sunce, which means sun. Dojd, dojd, which means rain. Sneg, sneg, which means snow. Vetar, vetar, which means wind. Oblaci, oblaci, which means clouds. Bura, which means storm. Magla, which means fog. Here we are also going to pay attention on a common weather phrases. Какво е времето? What's the weather like? Сончево е. It's sunny. Върне дожд. It's raining. Върне снег. It's snowing. Дува ветър. It's windy. Топло е. It's warm. Студено е. It's cold. Облачно е. It's cloudy. Магливо е. It's foggy. Има бура. There is a storm. Now let's talk about the temperature, which in Macedonian means temperatura. Колко степени е, which means how many degrees it is. Денес е 30 степени. Today is 30 degrees. Много е жешко. It's very hot. Малко е ладно. It's a bit cold. Let's practice through mini dialogue between two people. Какво е времето денес? Облачно е и малко върне дощ. Ох, тогаш ќе останеме дома. Which means, what's the weather like today? It's cloudy and rainy a bit. Oh, then we'll stay home. It's your turn now. Try answering those questions by your own. How do you say it's cloudy? How do you say it's very hot? How would you ask how many degrees is it? How do you say there is a storm? And I will answer them at the end of this video. It's time for a cultural fact. In Macedonia, the weather plays an important role in daily life and traditions. Summers are hot and dry, and many families spend time at Ohrid Lake, Ohridskoto езеро, which is one of the most beautiful lakes in Europe. Winters can be snowy, especially in the mountains, and skiing in Mavrovo, Pelister, or Popova Shapka is very popular. Farmers pay close attention to weather changes because agriculture is still a big part of Macedonian life. There is even a saying, "По дождот доаѓа сонце." After the rain comes the sun, used both for weather and as encouragement in hard times. Now, here are the answer of the challenge that I gave you previously. Облачно е, много е жешко, колко степени е, има бура. Thank you for watching. Ви благодарам што гледавте. Today you learn how to describe different kinds of weather in Macedonian. Practice by looking outside each day and saying in Macedonian what the weather is like. In the next episode, we are going to learn the colors in Macedonian, so you can talk about clothes, nature, and much more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Се гледаме. Чао!